You head out for the afternoon or maybe a weekend camp, and what you quickly realize is the ground's frozen solid, and all the cool cook system ideas that you got from Coalcracker in the past, you can't get the sticks in the ground. So you're like, gotta make an old tripod I made 1,000,000 times. But we can like twist and twerk that a little bit to make a really cool, quick, easy tripod setup that doesn't require a line and a toggle to hang your pot over the fire. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna do that right now here on this channel. So for our tripod, we're gonna need 3 sticks, pinky to thumb size, not bigger, not smaller. The thing is with these is sizing is different, okay? So you're gonna take 2 that are the same length. These are about 2 foot in length. That's gonna be almost ideal. The third one, okay, is going to be double that. So if you take the 2 short ones and glue them back together, that's how long your third pole should be. Now we're gonna lash them. We're gonna use the Coalcracker quick lash for this. You don't need a full-blown lash. There's really no reason whatsoever for that. So revolutionary, next level lash is what we invented here. So 2-3 foot of paracord is gonna be more than enough. It needs to be paracord though, because it needs some stretch in it. Otherwise you're gonna keep breaking the line that you're using. Clump these 3 up, and then simply just take your line and go around and tie a knot, okay? So I wrapped around twice. Loosely tie this. It should feel like the sticks are gonna fall apart when you do this. If it is too tight, it's not gonna work, okay? The tightness is going to come in the next step. So get that going so you can see everything is all loosey-goosey in there, and I'm just gonna spin. Of course I picked the biggest stick to spin, but when I spin that created all the tension now on here, okay? So now our tripod lash is done, and so is our cook system. Well, almost. I would, once this is set up, put a notch here, but that's like secondary. Okay, so I found a spot which I'm gonna make my campfire. I'm gonna get my tripod set up first. So what I wanna do now is I'm gonna utilize this stick, the longer stick, okay, out over the fire. That is where I'm gonna hang my pot off of, okay? Now, it's important when you do this, you gotta play around with this a little bit to figure out where the leverage lies, okay? I can't give you a specific rule for this. It really comes down to just setting it up, seeing where it falls, that your tripod feels like it falls in place, hanging your empty pot over the edge, okay? And making sure everything looks good with it, okay? If that does look good and everything's stable and you feel like it's not gonna go anywhere, then you can just come in here and you can cut a little V-notch. This is gonna help hold that pot in place, okay, with the bail. I'm gonna cut that little V-notch in there, and then that will hold my pot while I cook it over the campfire. So another easy alternative way to use a tripod, just by thinking outside the box, just a little bit more, right? That's all it took. There you go, a fun alternative to a normal tripod. Lower, extended, get it out over the campfire, and you'll be golden. So if you're thinking about doing something different, you're sick of the old tripod situation, make a tripod that's a little bit different, and it'll probably spruce up your day and make your day in the woods that much better. So another tool for the toolbox. So this was Dan Woolak of Coalcracker Bushcraft. Hope you enjoyed this video. As always, check us out at coalcrackerbushcraft.com. And until the next video, stay in the woods.